Hi guys, today was just a blast. Marine Street, 4th of July, Nehemiah and Bryan out for the first time with fins on their feet at Marine Street. Waves were pumping, atmosphere was beautiful. There was tons of guys out after 8 a.m. We were actually about 8 from the church, from around 5 a.m. till 6:30. We basically had the waves to ourselves.
There's Patrick, yeah. Woo! Just faded out. That's my boy. That's my boy. That's right, that's my boy. That's my boy.
Just a really good atmosphere. I've seen a lot of guys through the years, some locals and some guys that drive from afar, but Marine Street has been their surf spot, that they've been going to for 10, 15, sometimes 35 years. And it's just, I don't know, it's just a joy for me to talk to those guys and reminisce about days of old and talk about even God, and it's just been a really good time. And today was one of those days.
All right, man, what do you got to say? 4th of July?
America!
That's right, yeah.
I was like a drill sergeant to Bryan and to Nehemiah, just to try to motivate them to get on the other side of the breakers.
Let's give it up for Maya! That's what it's all about. Let's keep going though, because if the set comes, we're gonna bomb right here. I want you to keep coming, okay? No time to rest. Come on, keep going. Go through this little patch of seaweed right here, no problem. Keep going though, keep going. Don't stop yet. Don't stop. I'm buying you a burrito today.
And waves were big, and it was a really good time. So hope you enjoy the video. Unfortunately, I myself didn't get a lot of rides because I was coaching these guys a lot, and Joe Salvador would say, "Oh yeah, you didn't get any waves, man. My battery ended." James, "Oh, you didn't get any waves." No, I did. I got some really nice waves, but they just aren't on film. So hope you enjoy the video. God bless you, and God bless America.
And been carried all the way down the beach, so I had to come out and yell at him. Good job, Maya. Come on, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, first time with fins on his feet on a bodyboard in Marine Street. Is that even possible? You're good. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Bryan now, all the way from South Africa.
Great country, land of the brave and the free. The privilege, it's an honor. To be with friends, you know, encourage each other, enjoying the ocean, enjoying the day. Peace up.
Yeah, buddy! Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, totally different story. 5 minutes ago, I was feeling you abandoned me.
I was feeling you abandoned me. I was feeling you abandoned me. I was feeling you abandoned me.
Maya said, you know what? I'm not going to get my butt kicked by these waves. I'm going to swim like I've never swum before. Today we got 5 to 7 foot conditions. Is that pretty good? That's very good. That's very good.
Right here?
Yeah, you can see it all across.
Yeah. That's a nice board though. Did you make that on the back?
Yeah, I drew that.
Dude, that's sweet, man.
Thanks, man.
That is awesome. It's just a Sharpie?
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, I was super bored one night, and I like some of the old school guys just did Sharpie on their stuff. So.
Dude, that's nice, man.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate it.
It looks like a sticker.
Thanks. You have a good holiday, man.
Hey, 4th of July, man. Woo!
Come on, nice fishing. Come on. Nice. It's 4th of July. Come on, bro. 4th of July.
We love our country, we love our God, and we love the beach, and we love our wife. If you have a wife, love her.
God and country. Keep America great.
That's right. 4th of July, baby. Independence. Freedom. All right.
Oh, no. What now? Okay, tell us happy 4th of July or something. Come on.
Happy 4th of July.
How was the waves?
Waves are pretty good today. Waves are bombing.
A lot of guys out?
Yeah, we had, I don't even know how many guys out. Made a couple of rescues, but it was wonderful. It's always fun when you make a rescue.
All right, Bryan. Tell us.
It was fun. It's,
Would you recommend any other guys from the church come out?
Call somebody else.
anytime,
Call somebody else.
all the time.
Call somebody else.
Who's next?
All right, Maya. Tell us.
Thomas Green? Okay, Bryan's calling out Thomas. I call out David Galvadone.
Yeah.
David Galvadone, calling you out, bro. You could do it. You're a Marine, you work with Marines. It's like all of my things, bro.
So give me the 4th of July.
There's seaweed on the camera. There we go. Oh, I love 4th of July, you know, it just reminds me of all the heroes that have died and all the heroes that are still alive. And just makes me want to call them, just thank you for your service, thank you for serving our country, even though sometimes it's a little messed up. But just I have a huge respect for people that have fought in a war or just anything, you know? Huge respect for them. And miss you, Graham. Miss you, you know? Might not have like shot anyone or killed anyone during the war, but you still meant a lot to a lot of people, you know? Like without you, probably a lot of people wouldn't be in heaven right now.
Yeah, true.
So, love you.
Hold on, come here. Dave, just say a couple words, man. 4th of July, come on. Say a couple words, 4th of July.
What's up? 4th of July, Independence Day. Celebrate. Bye.